So the good news is we got a better turnout than we thought we were going to get, and we're not even actually at the start time. So that's fantastic. Everybody here at the start will go off in groups of about, let's say, 20. We'll leave a buffer of maybe 30 feet, and then the next group will go, and we'll just keep doing that as long as people are showing.
My daughter Anna, my wife Zoe, we love the lane. It's very important to us as advocates and as residents here. So happy to see hundreds of Brooklynites and other New Yorkers out today saying yes to safety and yes to the future of New York City streets.
Is who can be louder, the kids or the parents, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! This is fantastic. The lane is still full of people coming down.
Did you all have fun today?
Yeah, of course.
So much fun. It was awesome. Nice ride.
We love this lane.
We had an amazing ride. The kids loved it.
I see all the orange T-shirts rolling by. It was good.
I ride the lanes.
We just wanted to show that it's not a political issue. It's that we love the lane, and it's great for families, and it's essential for kids and for safety, and it's just good for everybody. Let everybody know that the support for the lane is there in the community, and that would be our contribution to the dialogue. How are you, Natalie? Nice